Fix critical error. Your Start menu isn't working. First, right-click on the Start button or Windows icon and select Run. In the Run dialog box, type appwiz.cpl and click OK. In the Programs and Features window, click on View Installed Updates on the left side. Find the most recently installed Microsoft Windows update from the list. Select it, click Uninstall at the top, and confirm by clicking Yes. Wait for the uninstallation process to finish, then click Restart Now to reboot your computer. Now Method 2. Right-click on the Start button again and open Run. Type System Properties, Protection, and click OK. Under the System Protection tab, click on System Restore. In the System Restore wizard, click Next. Select a restore point created before the Start menu error began and click Next. Click Finish, then click Yes to confirm and initiate the system restoration process. If this video helped you out, please like and subscribe for more tips.